deploy 50 fighter jets drop missile on Black Sea to targeting enemy. Russia has deployed 50 warplanes to the Black Sea, as the US warns commercial airlines to avoid the Crimea and eastern Ukraine regions. Moscow is conducting aerial exercises involving missile launches and bomber movements over the contested region. Currently, 50 Russian fighters, bombers, and attack aircraft are taking part in exercises over the Black Sea. A report by Russian independent news agency Interfax said, the war games held by Moscow are likely to exacerbate tensions in the region. Involved in the aerial drills were Russian-made Su-27SM and Su-30SM fighters, Su-24M and Su-34 bombers, and Su-25SM-3 attack aircraft. The report by Interfax said during the exercises, the planes will perform missile launches and bombardment of naval targets. Both the Russian Air Force and the Russian Black Sea Fleet are set to also perform tasks to accompany ship strike groups in actions, as part of reconnaissance strike complexes while ensuring security in the Black Sea. The military war games have seen involvement from naval aircraft and helicopters from Russia's Black Sea Fleet. The naval deployment from Moscow also involves the Admiral Makarov frigate, that is equipped with Caliber cruise missiles. The Gravorin and Vyshny Volochysk small missile ships have also been sent to the region. Russia is also deploying their Samum hovercraft and the Ivan Golubets minesweeper to the Black Sea region near Crimea. On Tuesday, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu said, these naval and aerial exercises were in response to threats from NATO. Moscow is continuing with the buildup of naval and aerial forces even though the Biden administration is discarding plans to deploy two missile destroyers to the Black Sea. Russian-made Su-25SM-3 attack aircraft from the Stavropol territory have moved to airfields in Crimea. The Interfax news agency also said the Su-25SM-3 squadron from the Crimea has been relocated to the Ashilok test site in the Astrakhan region. Civilian aircraft have been shot down over the region in the past. In July 2014, 298 people were killed after Malaysia Airlines Boeing 777 flight MH17 was shot down by pro-Russian rebels operating out of eastern Ukraine. The show of force from Vladimir Putin comes as intelligence suggests Russia is massing its military might close to the Ukrainian frontier. Now Russian military videos have depicted a detachment of warships of the Russian Navy moving from the Caspian Sea to the Black Sea. This is the first time a large number of naval vessels have made the move from the Caspian Sea to the Black Sea since Soviet times. There have been more intelligence reports showing Russian troops moving by rail in Krasnodar, Rostov, and Bryansk regions, near the Ukrainian border.